With the cylinder block 3 lesson, you will introduce the block 3 to the child. Let the child work with the block 3 alone as we were working with it with the block 1. After the child is done with the block 3 and then is very conversant with that, you can now combine the block 3 block 2 and let the child work with these 2 blocks. Then later you add the block 1. So you have block 1, 2 and 3. You arrange it in a triangle form as this is. And then you will bring out all the cylinders from the sockets and then you place them in the middle of the triangle. Now you can decide to let the child work with this activity with an open eye, or you can decide to make it a stereognostic activity by blindfolding the child and allowing the child to figure out which socket that he or she has to fit in the cylinder. So this particular lesson that we are making a video on, we are going to have it as a stereognostic activity. Lizzie here is going to be blindfolded and then she finds the correct socket to fit in the cylinders. So let's enjoy. Alright, so Lizzie,
Yes, madam.
so you can start putting each cylinder in its socket, okay? So you see how fun this lesson is going to be. Blindfolding your 4-year-old child, let's say 3.5 years to 4 years old, and then this child is trying to find each socket to put the cylinder in. This is a mathematical mindset development. So interesting. So after this, we combine, or we bring the block 4. The child works with the block 4 alone, and then later it's being added to block 3. We work with 2. Then we now work it with block 1. We work it with each of the blocks, and then I will bring them all together as 4 blocks, and we mix up the cylinders in the middle, and we still have a blindfold activity with all 4 blocks. A very interesting activity. So this is how it's going to look like.